You have got to be fucking shitting me. I mean, what the fuck are... Dude, what? What are you doing?
I'm going that way. He's right here. But it's not working. Then I'm doing down. I'll go the other side.
Let me ask you a question, man.
Okay.
You are going the wrong way down the freeway. You are committing a felony right now.
Okay, what I'm doing, sir?
Well, one, why the fuck are you going the wrong way down the freeway?
That's the right. I'm doing it back. Sorry, sir.
Well, no, I'm just asking because
I'm so sorry, but when it's the fault, I go that side, when that's not.